it's Awesome Tiger. You ready to cook? Because today we're making a fruit sandwich. Interesting, right? Now you think, why do I have to make a YouTube video about making a fruit sandwich? It's so simple. Just take 2 pieces of bread and put some fruits inside, right? Well, I like to make it in a different style. So it's much better than the fruit sandwich you're thinking about right now. So the ingredients are some cheese, which is optional, 2 slices of bread, and 1 fruit plate to put your fruits in, or a bowl, and then some sorts of fruits. I got raspberries, blueberries, and grapes. And also a chopping board, which is only if you have like this type of big grapes. So they're a bit big. So I have to cut them in half. And now let's get started. So first you got to, and also, right, I almost forgot, a pan. So first you put the pan on the stove and put it up to medium and wait. Also, you might want to cut the grapes, or if you have like a big fruit. Oh, and maybe bananas would match, but I do not like bananas when they're in cheese. I mean, who would like bananas with cheese? Well, maybe you do. So I'm sorry if I took away your hat. I'm so sorry about this, but I also forgot to add the butter. So you can quickly get the butter from your fridge now. And now we're ready. We're going to cook. So get the bread plate to the stove. Put some butter on the pan. Melt. And then it'll melt. But don't put too much butter, or else butter will be your main diet. Yeah, that seems to be good. No, put the bread. And now, put the bread in. Oh, and also if your butter is nice and creamy, you can just slather it across the butter and then do it that way. Hey, and then put it in the pan. Or if your butter has to be refrigerated, then you can put it on. You first put butter on the pan, and then you put the bread. And now I'm putting the cheese on. And now I'm done. And you stack the other bread on top. And if your butter was creamy, then you can slather some butter on the top of the bread. And then you wait about 45 seconds. Okay, it's ready. Let's go. Oh wait, no. You have to put it on the plate for flipping it over. So then you can put some more butter. If your butter is refrigerated, so I guess I have to melt some. So that's done there. And now you drop the side that is just normally soft. And you wait about 30 seconds now because the pan got very hot. It's almost ready. Now you turn off the heat and put it on another place of the stove which hasn't been burned, used with fire in some time, so then it can cool down. So now for the final part, you open up the sandwich. Ooh, that's cheesy. Seems good. And you carefully place the fruits on. So now I'm halfway done. All I've got to do is I'll do fruit the other side too. Uh-oh, run out of raspberries. Can't do anything about it. Guess I just gotta go with this. So now you close the fruits. Oops, gotta squeeze tighter. Oh, and you've also got to push hard. And now it's done. And if you have any remaining fruits, you can eat it with your fruit sandwich. Now, time to take a bite. Mmm. This is crispy, fruity, tasty, buttery, cheesy, and perfectly cooked. Those are my comments about this fruit sandwich. Now give it a try, and please like and subscribe to my channel and video. And other than that, bye!